Today we're going to talk about 15 amp tamper resistant receptacle, and we're going to talk about the backstabs here on the back of these receptacles. So there's two ways of doing a termination on a standard receptacle. This is a Decor 15 amp tamper resistant receptacle. The way that we always use and that we always train our technicians to use is you put that wire clockwise around the screw, and then you're going to tighten it down. We say clockwise because as you tighten it, it tightens that wire even more, and once you tighten that down, it is never going to come off of that plug. The other way that is commonly done now is what's called the backstab connection. Now with these backstabs, they are rated, they are code compliant, but they are a surefire way to have some call outs in the next 5 to 10 years when those wires loosen up and pop out and cause you all sorts of headaches. So what they do with that is they'll strip their wire, just like this one. We just have a bare copper wire. They'll strip down that 14 gauge wire and it just stabs right in the back. Now it doesn't want to come out. I can still spin it around though. There's still some wear and tear and some give on that. You can feel it. There's still some give in that. And the problem is that when you start applying heat to this circuit, and we got hot flowing in, and if there's going to be any sort of heating and cooling, say this plug is on an exterior wall where it's minus 40 outside and 20 degrees inside, that's a 60-degree temperature change. If you have hot, cold, contraction, if you have any sort of temperature change, that connection is going to bear loose real quick. And what will happen is this plug will actually melt.